Number 37, firing a piece of pottery in a kiln takes place at different temperatures for different amounts of time. The graph shows the temperature in a kiln while firing a piece of pottery after the kiln is preheated to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Determine the time interval during which the temperature in the kiln showed the greatest rate of change. Okay, greatest rate of change. Rate of change is just a fancy way of saying slope. Find the time interval when the temperature had the greatest slope. Or if we think about slope as the steepness of a line, find the time interval when the temperature had the steepest line. Okay, even though this is the longest one, it's not the steepest. The steepest part of the graph comes between right here and here, and that is between 0 and 1.5 hours. Bart P says, determine the time interval during which the temperature in the kiln showed the least rate of change. Doesn't mean we just look for the smallest section. When did the kiln show the least rate of change? Rate of change, again, is just slope. When did we see the smallest slope, or the least steep part of the graph? We get flatter and flatter, and here's the flattest part of the graph. Steepness is slope. There's my smallest rate of change. So that would be between 4.65 to 8.95 hours.